We are back again with another juicing challenge, and the goal is to see how much juice I can make with just $10. So today we're taking this challenge to Save-A-Lot. I'm really excited. Let's see if this grocery store lives up to its name. For those of you who want to participate, leave your guesses in the comments below as to how many juices you think I would make with this $10 from Save-A-Lot, and then we'll find out together. Let's get it. And I haven't been here since I was a little kid, but I'm also kind of disappointed in some of the prices in the same time. So some of them are pretty much the same you'll see at other stores, like the Cantaloupe is $3.99. I wanted to get at least 2 of them to try to get as much juice yield as possible, but getting 2 of them would be $8, which would leave me with $2, but I may still be able to make it work. So let's see. So I'll go back for another one. I'm conflicted because I did want to try honeydew. And they look a little bigger than the cantaloupe. So I'm thinking if I get 1 of the honeydew, that would be $5. 1 of the cantaloupe will be $4. That would be $9, leaving me with about $1 remaining, and maybe some change. I wish I was going live so I could ask, like, what should be the best thing I could buy for $1 and some change that would give us the most, juice. But let's go ahead and try the honeydew. Okay, not too bad. Decided to stay in the melon family today. So we have 1 honeydew, 1 cantaloupe, and 2 cucumbers. I have high hopes for this. $10.36. Oh! It's cold. And you will have the nerve to get stuck. Deadass. Oh, yeah. I'm leaving it right here too, promise. Whew, my goodness, it's cold. So I'm really excited about this one. We already know that we get a lot of juice yield from using cantaloupe if you've seen my previous video when I went to Target. Now let's see if we can actually get a bit more than our highest score. So I'm really excited about this one. I feel like we could have did better with the prices. Save-A-Lot was okay, but the produce that we got, I do have a good feeling that we're going to get a lot of juice from this one. So as usual, we're going to put all of our juice in this big bowl here. And then we're going to also use a strainer so that we get rid of some of that extra pulp that is usually remaining in juices, so it doesn't seem like we're getting more juice than we actually are. Let's see how much juice we can make from these $10 from Save-A-Lot. so I really have no idea if we ended up beating our high score. For those of you who may not have seen the other episode in this series, specifically Target, we were able to get 6.5 jars of juice, which was a total of 104 ounces. So are we going to do better? We're going to find out. For those of y'all who's been telling me get a ladle, get a funnel, all the things, I promise I heard y'all, but I just moved, so I can't find my ladle. I haven't got the funnel yet. So we're going to be working with the faith of the Most High, okay, when it comes to pouring pouring this juice. Let's see if we could beat our high score. Okay, we can take this. We can work with that. Hold on. So, how much is this? So remember, the last high score was 6 jars and 8 ounces. It looks like we may have beat our high score. Did we? Where's the ounces? Where are you? Oh, we did. We ended up beating our high score. This is 10 ounces. Okay, all right now. Okay now. So we ended up getting a total of 106 ounces of juice. We spent $10.36, so that's giving us approximately 10.23 ounces of juice per dollar. Now that's not too bad. So if we did it based on how many jars we ended up getting, it would be $10.63 divided by 6.625. We would be paying approximately $1.56 per jar of juice. So there we have it. But you know I can't end a video without a taste test. So let's actually see what it tastes like. Oh, wow. That's refreshing. Now, one thing I like about this, and this may sound crazy because those that watch me know I love a sweet drink. This isn't that sweet, but for some reason it makes it more refreshing, if that makes any sense. I'll give it about an 8 out of 10 for sure. This is so much fun to do. Let me know if you want to see some more videos. If there's certain stores I haven't done yet and you would really like to see me try, let me know in the comments below. I'm really excited because I feel like we finally got our hands on some produce that's going to give us a lot of juice, specifically during the winter time where things tend to be a little bit more expensive. So I'm really liking the fact that I'm saving much more money and getting a lot for my buck. Okay, so anyways, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next videos. Okay? Take care.